In the near lane, Joe Smith, 71 Javelin, 401 automatic. In the far lane, John Chamberlain, 70 Grand Sport, 455 automatic. Joe's going to need all of his great reflexes to handle Chamberlain's infamous GS, a car that's been on the receiving end of much Muscle Car Review Inc. Chamberlain's car is a hard launcher with 500 plus foot-pounds of torque. And Chamberlain gets a slight hole shot. Chamberlain pulls away for the win, 13:21, 103.9 to 14:01, 95.94. In the near lane, Norman Deals, 71 Grand Sport, 455 automatic. In the far lane, Danny Carroll, 68 Roadrunner, 440 automatic. And Carroll cuts the light too close and fouls. Deal takes the automatic win, 1284, 105.88 to 1361, 99.55. In the near lane, Randy Van Hook, 70 Roadrunner, 446 pack 4-speed. In the far lane, Michael Brown, 71 Roadrunner, 446 pack automatic. Pick a pair of 6-packs. Brown gets there first, 1392, 99.33 to 1535, 91.27. In the near lane, Ray Brown, 65 Plymouth, 383 automatic. In the far lane, Kevin Burchell, 67 Camaro, 396 automatic. Burchell wins 1285, 108.43 to 1365, 92.59 miles per hour. In the near lane, Michael Brown, 71 Roadrunner, 6-pack automatic. In the far lane, Jeff Lees, 70 Roadrunner, 383 automatic. And Brown red lights. Lee gets the automatic win, though Brown gets there first at 1382, 100.67 to 1426, 97.19. In the near lane, Richard Walker, 69 Roadrunner, 383 automatic. In the far lane, Larry Fleming, 69 Charger, 500, 440 automatic. Fleming wins 1421, 96.15 to 1471, 93.55. In the near lane, Dennis Barr, 69 Chevelle, 396 automatic. In the far lane, Kevin Burchell, 67 Camaro, 396 automatic. Burchell wins 1371, 96.56 to 1415, 95.33. In the near lane, Lawrence Conley, 70 GSX, Stage 1 automatic. In the far lane, Dave Phillips, 66 Chevy, 427, 4-door, 4-speed. Phillips gets there first, 1316, 103.92 to 1342, 101.35. In the near lane, Brian Thomas's 68 Roadrunner, Hemi automatic. In the far lane, Len Greco's 69 Super Bee, 6-pack, 4-speed. Thomas takes the win, 1306, 80.21 to 1386, 98.46. And that concludes round 3 of Pure Stock Big Block.